Ohayo? Good morning, darlings. Well, are you awake? Mommy actually took the time to change my clothes. Hold on. What do you think? How does Mommy look? I dressed up for today. What do you think? Hari ini ganti baju karena hari ini hari spesial ya. Today, it's weekend, so I want to bring you to someplace nice and fun. You want to go someplace nice and fun? Honeys, you're not responding. Do you want to go?
Yes! Yes!
I mean, it's weekends. Let's have fun and all. Yes, Mommy? Oh, is that the answer to my question? If I was asking if I was looking good? Yes? That's so nice of you, honeys. That's so nice of you. That's very sweet of you. I thought you so well. Don't worry, we're not in heaven. We're not in heaven. Nah, I don't think my throat can handle it. I'm gonna read super chats now. You guys got bad ending. Aku udah kebayang nih klip-klip yang muncul nih gara-gara ini pasti kayak gini. Judulnya aku udah kebayang. Zeta, real voice. Tanda tanya exclamation mark. Zeta is actually an OG-san. Man, I can imagine Zeta real voice, not clickbait. Real, 100%.